Hello Aries, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly love reading between 16th August to 22nd August. This is a general reading, may or may not resonate with you, and energy can go vice versa or interchangeable. This is for Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. If you have in your chart in Aries, in your birth chart, okay, so this is the reading for you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe my channel, King of Cups Tarot. Let's have your reading. If you want to book a personal reading with me, I have given my email ID in the description box. Please check the description box and email me for the personal reading. Let's start your reading now. So we are gonna pull 5 cards here for a week, and then I will pull Queen of Moon Oracle card for weekly love message from universe. Okay, so first card is Queen of Wands, second card is Page of Cups, third card is Four of Swords and Two of Cups. Okay, I will put it here so that better look will be there, and Two of Cups. Okay, last card is Nine of Wands. I'll pull anyway one more card as an outcome, so don't worry about it. Here we have Six of Pentacles. So first of all, I will tell you about the signs present here. Sign are there are zodiac sign of Earth sign, that is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Queen of Wands, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with these two cards, that is Page of Cups and Two of Cups. Okay, and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Four of Swords, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with Nine of Wands and Queen of Wands. Okay, so all of the zodiac signs are present here. So any person can be, and if there is no specific sign available here, so there is no major changes in your life is right now in this week. So let's start your reading. Six of Pentacles means you in your love life there is a lot of lack of balance actually. Okay, you were giving too much in this relationship, but your person is not ready to give this relationship a chance, or they are very ignorant to you, and they are not giving that much to this relationship what you are giving to the table. Okay, so here there is an imbalance basically, but you are in very much balance actually. You are having a very patient mindset, and you are a very balanced person. Your energies are balanced already, and you have actually, because you have already in your mind that you want to get settled with this person, or you want a long term commitment with this person, if they want it or not, but you want it at all. Okay, so there is a toxic cycle has been completed already, and or maybe it's going to be completed soon. Then there will be a new beginning, and then something will build up on your in your relationship now. Okay, so let's have a look one by one. Okay, so first of all we have Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands is a card in which I'm seeing that you are very attractive person towards everybody, and you are the center point of everybody's attraction. Okay, so right now you are a very attractive person, and everybody looks onto you to have a relationship with you, and they want to talk to you. So many peoples are approaching you actually, and you are actually in very good energy. You are very rejuvenating energy. You are in a very beautiful energy, I can see. Okay, some fiery energy. Okay, so this actually, the transformation already occurred in your energy, so that's why you are now transformed to this very attractive energy towards the people. Okay, so you are attracting so many people towards you. Okay, so here we have Page of Cups. So somebody is coming towards you, maybe a younger water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or somebody who has that energy. Okay, so So somebody want to offer you something, but they want to first just test the waters. Okay, just they want to test that what your mood is. Are you anyway available for a relationship or not? They want to ask you that. Okay, so here we have a page of cups. That means a little bit of offer can come, a small offer, but it will be very romantic and very loving. Okay, so yep, but you are closed off because of your personal relationships before your means your past also has haunted you before, so you are not rightly open to this kind of relationship right now. If they are not serious, they are not looking like serious, then you are not opening up yourself in this week, because you're right now healing with your past, and your past was not actually good, because before four of swords, actually three of swords come. Okay, three of swords is a card of the third party situation, deception and heartbreak. You have gone through all these actually. Okay, so now four of sword is here. That means I can see that you are healing from this pain. Okay, this heartache you are healing right now, so you need some time to open up again, and you need a rest period, so that you will be vulnerable again, and you will be I can see that you will be welcoming some new love. Okay, so but new love is anyway coming, universe is on your back. Okay, so new love is coming, the true love is coming, what you were waiting for so long, and I can see that some true love is coming, that can be a mutual love, and it will grow to the very strong bond, soulmate kind of connection it will come. And two of cups is a mutual bond actually, that two person who are giving each other are coming together. Okay, this is the card for you, that's the true love. So true love is coming anyway, if even if you want it or not, it is coming. Okay, because right now I'm seeing you as a closed off person. That is nine of wands. You were hurt before, and as I told you guys, four of swords, that you have been through some things, and now actually you are hurt, and you are blocking these kind of energies. Any emotional level experience, you are actually blocking those things. Okay, so let's pull out the outcome card for you. Please give me outcome card for you. That is three of wands and knight of pentacles. So I can see that you're still improving yourself. Okay, you're right now you're not stable at emotional level as well as your financial level, or maybe you're actually improving that. You might have been stable, but you're improving that actually. Okay, so right now it is progress is very slow, but it will grow. Okay, so you are waiting to something to happen first. Okay, you are waiting for that you have done something, and you want the result first, and then you will be jumping into this. Okay, this relationship thing. So you are waiting for something to happen with you, maybe your career situation, or your stability situation, maybe a true love situation. Oh, who knows? Okay, everybody has different okay, different lifestyles. Okay, and different life situations. Okay, so this is your outcome card. You are waiting in this week, I can see. Let's pull out this Queen of Moon Oracle card for you. Pleasure. Okay, and fruition. So you are seeking pleasure basically right now. Universe is saying that whatever you do, okay, do it with pleasure. Okay, do it with pleasure means if you don't enjoy your work situation, if you don't enjoy your relationships, then it will not be growing. Okay, because it will not be fruition for you, means it will not give you fruit. So pleasure is more important, because Aries is like they are very mass driven energy. Okay, so mass driven energy needs little bit of rest as well. Okay, because they have more potential than any zodiac sign has. Okay, So you need some pleasure points, and you need some pleasure time, sorry, not point. So pleasure time actually, and that's that will actually eventually will leads to the fruition. Okay, so whatever you want in your life, it will you will be achieving, whether it is your career, whether it's your love life, whatever it is the situation. Okay. So this is the message for you in for this week. So this is your reading, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box below. And thank you for watching. Thanks a lot.